Are we recording? Let's go. All right, hopefully I look okay. Today is a very special and exciting day for me and for the channel. I'm going to pick up 2 new projects. Well, I need to go and pick up a trailer from U-Haul, and then I'll show you when we get there what exactly we're picking up. Hopefully Dave lets me record a little bit, but we're hopping in Tina. Let's freaking do this. Here goes nothing. All hooked up. I don't know if you can see it back there, but let's do this. A little nervous, but it's all good. You gotta try. This is life. You gotta have fun. I've got a huge 6x12 U-Haul trailer back there. On our way, we got about a 30-minute drive, and we're just gonna take it slow and. All right, guys, we got Tina all loaded up. That's the name for the truck. This is Dave. Thank you, Dave, so much. Check this out. 2 brand new projects coming home. I will have lots of footage coming up on it. So thank you very much, Dave. Much appreciated.
No problem.
And thank you. Be safe. Wow. Huge shout out to Jessica. I really needed a little bit of help backing this thing in, but check it out. Thank you, Jessica. Check it out. Oh yeah, let's get them unloaded. Oh yeah. Let's go! We got the Husqvarna 2013. And we got the John Deere D140. 54-inch mower base, 48-inch mower base. Beautiful. All right, check it out. We were able to pull it into the garage using the Kubota. We're gonna work on the John Deere first. I think that's where we're starting. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Peace. Have a good night.